Good morning, all of you. Everyone is fine. How is going your classes? Well, so student, today's topic is what's on my plate. There are lots of food items on our plate. Do you think from where do we get these food items? How does these items come on our plate? No? Okay. Today I today I will explain on this topic. So let's start the class. On a farmer farms do many things to make sure we have food on our plates. They plant and grow crops, take care of animals, collect eggs, milks, amongst many other things. So that's the way the foods come on our plate. Now, you know more about farming and harvesting. So let's discuss here farming. What is farming? Farmers grow a variety of crops to meet our needs. Means farming is the process in which farmers grow a variety of crops to fulfill our needs. So this is where the plates that we have come from. Plugging is the first step of growing crops. Farmer plug the field with bullocks or tractors. Let's see in both of this picture. Okay, this loosens the soil and make it soft. Then they add manure or fertilizer. Manure is made from animals and plant waste, where fertilizer are made using chemicals to make the soil rich in nutrients. So both of them, manure and fertilizer, make the soil fertile and rich in nutrients. Farmers then select healthy seeds according to the season, suitable for the seasons. And these seeds are sown in the soil and irrigated, means watering plants, so that the seed get enough water. Within the right amount of water, warmth and air, the seed grow into sapling and then into crops. So these are the process of the farming. Through the farmer grow crops. In this way, it is having a very big duty of a farmer to protect their crops. So for the protection, they use insecticides, pesticides, and also use a scarecrow. So insecticide and pesticides are sprayed on the crops to protect them from insects and pests. Insecticides or pesticides is just as medicine of crops that keep away the insect or pest from the crops. And scarecrow, see, like this, scarecrow, to protect the crops from birds and animals. Now, harvesting. When crops are ready, they are harvested manually. Manually means by the hands with the help of some tools like khurpi, or with the help of machines. After harvesting, they are stored in different ways. After harvesting, when the crops are ready, they store it in different way. The first one is that type of crops that cannot be get spoiled very easily or can be stored for a long period. They are stored in gunny banks, which is known as non-perishable items. And second one, those items that they get spoiled very easily and they cannot be stored for a long period, known as perishable items like fruits, vegetables, and they are packed in boxes made of wood and cardboard. So student, today you know more about the farming and harvesting. Hope so all of you get it very well. So now in my next class tomorrow I will discuss about what food we eat. So today class is now over. Take your each class seriously and do your work properly. Okay, bye everyone, have a nice day.